Let's see. Alright guys, after trying it consecutive times, actually it works. Let's see, let's pull this one. Look, it worked! Hey everyone, Michael here from Pineapple Express Rice Bowls, and today I just want to try something weird that I saw on, was it TikTok or Instagram? I saw a video. Let me grab a pineapple. We've been selling pineapples. You can show me here. Let me grab a pineapple. And what I saw is they basically just pulled the pineapple, but after doing a certain steps. So let me try it. Let me see if it works. So what they do first is they twist the top. Okay, twisted. I was able to remove it. And then they kind of roll the pineapple like this. I think so. I need to rewatch that video. Maybe there's too much rolling the pineapple. Then they kind of tapped it sideways. Now this pineapple is really ripe. If this works, I'll be surprised. If it doesn't work, I got like more pineapples I can experiment. And then what they did is they just pulled one pineapple here and it just came off. No, it's not working. Let me try it again. I think that video's fake. Nope. Nope. Nope, it is not working. It is not working. Let's do it more. Maybe it's not ripe enough. It is not working. Let me get another pineapple. I got so many pineapples here. We've been selling pineapples. Maybe this is too old. I don't know. Or too ripe. Let's try it again. Twisted it. Roll it. I feel like I'm rolling a dough right here, like baking something. Mm-hmm. 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 Let's see now. It is not working and we're a pineapple place. Let's do more. One more. Two more. I don't know. This is not gonna work. I don't know what's gonna work or not. Or whatever. Okay. We should find that video. It's like a pineapple twist it. Alright, then roll it. This is like a myth, what do you call that show? Mythbuster? It's like Mythbuster right now. Maybe I have not like tapped it enough or something. Or maybe it's this way. It's really not working. Come on, come on. All right. It is not working. Let's try this one. This is like the fourth pineapple, so if it doesn't work, did you find a video? Do you see what they did? Same. Pull it hard. I pull it hard, but kind of do it this way. Oh, by the way, this is Kendra. Say hi, Kendra. And Ryan's behind the camera. All right. Okay. So they pulled it hard. It's not working. They were on the ground. Oh my goodness. You guys, look, we are Pineapple Express Rice Bowls, and we got to make this happen, okay? Because if we don't, we're not going to be Pineapple Express Rice Bowls. Twist it. Here, maybe you can help me with the one. Oh, there's an order. Order first, I guess. But did they do this still? Like, kind of tap it like this? Was it hard? On the ground. Oh. Well, I just ripped it. Maybe this is too ripe. Oh no. Now it's like bruised and leaking. Okay, let's try this one. Oh. It's like there's a massacre of pineapples here now. Oh wait, like this first. All right, let's do it again. It is not working, or I'm just not doing it right. I don't know. If you guys see this video and you see me doing something wrong, no, it's not working, then it means, I don't know. Well, I don't know. I got more pineapples, but that's just the best we could do. Thank you guys for watching this video of the failed attempt to do whatever the internet is showing me. And remember, a pineapple a day keeps the doctor away. And thanks for watching. Is it cutting?
Yeah, already.
All right. Kendra, it's worked.
Did you get it to work?
Let's see. All right, guys. After trying it consecutive times, actually it works. Let's see. Let's pull this one. Look, it worked.